the air.
Too bad it doesn't go around in a circle.
And it's gonna go again.
Country
I was thinking of
road,
that
take
song.
me home to the place I belong, West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home, country road. Your turn, Rod.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. That's what they call rolling hills.
You? Scene very rocky. Got to be careful walking here. Hiking shoes preferred, or a pair of great, strong, sturdy running shoes with good threads.
Good.
Threads are the grip. All right, stay tuned.
Yeah. There's a cougar over there.
What?
Cougar.
Where?
Right here.
Oh, jeez.
Here.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. There's the cougar.
All right. Let's get traveling. Do you see how down there looks so blue compared to up here? Like,
Yeah, because it's so deep down.
yeah,
Yeah.
that's awesome.
That's
Totally
sure.
awesome.
Yeah, right down in the depth.
That's
down here.
that's what I'm doing. I hope this video does it justice
Hey.
because it's like way down. Try to zoom in on it, but
Hey, I'm the nature buff here. When I
look at
study-
this. Oh. Okay, let's see if we can get down there.
Sometimes I don't understand. I would.
That's the adventure of madness.
See all these vines
Yeah. That's so cool. Down there, like.
Yeah.
I heard something move. Did you hear it too?
No, I didn't.
That is gorgeous. Making the sounds of Radcliffe, making Tarzan sounds. Yeah, okay. And we are Oh my lord. We are recording, Rad. See, this takes you right down to the river.
Hey, did you hear Tarzan?
Yeah, we did.
Tarzan! Tarzan!
You might attract the wrong thing, so just
Black Tarzan!
stop. Oh my gosh. Buddy. Oh wow. See? You were gonna go the wrong way.
No, I
That's
wasn't
what
going the wrong way, car. Well, video from the top. Look at that tree. From this side. Look at that tree.
Oh
Next
wow.
rainfall, that's coming now.
That's out.
Yeah. Zoom into it.
Holy.
Zoom into it.
Oh, see that? That's like, that's living on the edge.
Yeah, that's living on the edge,
Holy
all right.
crap. I hear it too. Wow, that tree. It's gonna fall right across the river.
Yeah, right in.
Yeah, in, but it's gonna be laying across. So this is 20 Valley Trails in Niagara region. Don't even try it. I knew what you were up to.
It's the beauty of nature.
Surrounded by nature. Us. Okay, Carlene. I should have worn my oh, these are actually okay, but I should have worn my hiking shoes. These are not hiking shoes. I should have probably turned the camera the other way.